See, bro. We see Pikin for inside this guy boot.
Hey, my people. No, never hear. I'll put this video for Namona just watch. According to this video, na video na do am. He said this if person wey be saying no, na person wey no na do the video, send am come give am. He say so this man come call Uber. Una know say all this Uber wey dem dey call come carry me go this so place, no? He say as he call Uber na dem the Uber the taxi come. As they go for road now, they come dey hear noise. He come dey hear noise and the driver he put radio, he put music, you know, the music dey high. So he come dey hear noise. Now he come tell the driver say this car wey be say dey drive dey go, he dey hear noise of small pikin. He say he come tell am say abi na the music wey be say you dey play na inside there for the car. He say the man come say yes, na inside there. Una go lis ten just now. He say so when they come still dey go, traffic dey, you know, he come still dey hear the noise. The thing come be like say dey go more. Now he come tell am say no, all this music something dey for inside boot, make e stop. Now the man come say nothing dey, na music, na this one the other. He come say no, make e stop. As he stop, now they come see small pikin for inside a car. Now they come see small pikin for inside a car. The pikin na they say na the man na he born am. Wetin make the man lock the pikin for inside car? Hey, abi na the system wey be say they come dey use now. Now understand? So when they go reach where Ogbalegbe for stop, you understand? Ogbalegbe come say how this pikin take enter inside this car. They come dey suspect say na that man wey be say he call Uber na he carry the pikin come. Hey, they will come tell you say if you no want make we carry this case go their station, make you pay money. When I know say they do something like that, where they will stop you and everything is sorry my people, and they will know say everything is okay with you, your document, everything is correct. They go want make they put that fear for your body, say just give us some money, make we leave everything, make we dey go like that. Maybe na the new system where they come dey do like this. So as I see am say video and do this video, I listen now say this one na true. Make I bring am come for now. My people, I will put this video more gonna listen. Make una be careful. That's our country. Any way to find money, they no care. They no care. Just because when you bring am come, maybe then they work. He said they can't even call Ogbalegbe. So when Ogbalegbe come tell them say make they leave am, maybe they don't plan together. No, say get one video where be say still they fly, they go. When Ogbalegbe say maybe they give them money, otherwise they not pass. When they can't give am money finish, it come. You don't know say they on video. And that Ogbalegbe now they say they don't sack am. All this Ogbalegbe wey be say now if it just be say they work together, why it can't be say they can't call one Ogbalegbe, that one can't tell them say make them leave and make they go without no ask wetin make you lock your pikin for inside boot. Make I put the video for now. Now bye my people. Please send me to love and like and share this video for me. God bless you as you do. Bye.
Omo, this one I never see this kind of thing once for my life. See, bro. We see Pikin for inside this guy boot.
Okay, if the police stop you now, what I know what you explain.
The police hold us before.
Alright, so Nigeria is getting dangerous by the day. Please, I beg you, you people should be careful. Nigeria is getting dangerous by the day. Be careful. Be careful. Now, what happened in this video? The person that recorded this video, the person talking in this video, now somebody when I know, is somebody that I know very well. He sent me this video and said, bro, see what happened to me today. Do you understand? Now, God help me. Now, what happened? He said, him and his friends were at home and they now booked a ride and they were going out. They booked in-drive. When the in-drive driver came, they entered the car. While they were going, the driver was playing a loud music. Then at some point, after like 1 hour, because there was traffic, after like 1 hour on the road, he said he started hearing the cry of a baby, of a child. Now he said, I dey hear Pikin dey cry, and we no carry Pikin. I been at the music. Then the driver said, yes, it is the music. Then they kept on going. They were still going again. Oh, about 20 minutes later, I said, come, this thing no be music. Pikin dey cry for this car. Pikin dey cry, park this car. The driver refused. They mandated him. They said, park. The driver eventually parked. Tell the driver, say, open your boots. When they opened the boots, lo and behold, Pikin dey there. Lo and behold, Pikin did here. Now they say, driver, who get this Pikin? Driver, no fit talk. Pikin, where are you from? Pikin said, the driver is his father. They were confused. You, the father, why would you put your child inside boots? Would you carry you put your Pikin for inside boots? Why? The driver no fit talk. Do you understand? From there, they made noise, people came. You understand? They brought the driver outside. See the driver and the Pikin. Do you understand? People came. What happened? They explained. Next day, okay, let them go to the police station. When they got to the police station, they were writing down their statement. This guy said, lo and behold, somebody called and said they should release the guy. They don't know who called, but the person sounded influential. Next thing, they wanted to bring the case. They wanted to just stop the case and told the guy to go. They say, I don't understand. What this guy did does not make sense. Imagine if, as we dey go, police can't stop us. Can't say, open your boots. Police is automatically going to think that, come, all these boys, for them to put this Pikin for boots, all of them are ritualists or Yahoo boys or something very crazy. And now you want to let this guy go. Now, guess what I think happened? I think they are all working together. Desperate times are here. So I beg. This is what I want to tell you. If you want to enter boats, Uber, InDrive, whatever it is, any means of transportation where they use, first things first, tell them to open their boots. Tell them to open their boots. Check the pocket of the chairs. Do you understand? So what I think happened is this. That guy and some officials, maybe police or security operative, they partner together. Because for somebody to call and tell the police to release him, and the police won't release him, may you know say they did together for the business. It looked like a thing where if they reach checkpoints, they'll say open boots. When they open the boots, next thing they see Pikin. But they are all part of it. They'll now arrest everybody. Then maybe they'll now end up saying, as nobody buy now, if people want to die this matter, if not, you go to prison. Because this is kidnapping, or be Yahoo boys, or be ritualists. They go say, if you don't want to go prison, let's settle this matter. Next thing, because a crime like that, they go charge you for big money. Next thing, they'll say, bring 5 million, 10 million naira. Did you see the formats now? Desperate times are here. So if you just did this Nigeria like this, I beg, just be careful. This one now don't turn new pattern. And again, InDrive. This is not the first time. This is not the second time why they hear on a matter. Please, these drivers you people are bringing to your platform, I beg, try to do your due diligence to know who they really are. Try. Because just imagine now, say they actually catch them. Or maybe no be the police where maybe they set up, or the security operative where they set up, say, okay, these are the people that will stop you. Maybe not soldier. Can't stop them. And boom, next thing, those people don't go for nothing. Something they don't know anything about. So please, I'm pleading with you all now. Especially Gen Zs. Don't say love stuff now. On our face, they do on our phone. When I go, they look on our phone too far. When I know they're conscious, when I know they're aware of anything. So please, I'm begging you, if you want to enter a boat, Uber, anything, tell them to open their boots. Check the pockets. As they don't start out with human being now, next thing now, they'll start to put drugs for a sidecar. You know, go, no. Innocent you. You don't know they are working with the driver. Innocent you. When I go drive, maybe NDLA now go park now. Next thing, open boots, they'll go see cocaine, or they'll see one kind of big drugs where you don't know anything about. Before you explain, they don't carry you go. Next thing now, they'll tell you, say, me, if find money, come. Or if they want to punish you, they'll go throw you for jail. Post you online. Don't say, they don't catch drug dealer. Desperate times are here. I beg. I am begging you. If you want to use all these means of transportation in that country, I beg. Check the boots. Me, I tell that guy, I say, God help you. Now God save your life. God, now he save your life. You are very, very lucky. Some other people might not be lucky. Some other people might not be lucky. So please, I beg you, if you want to enter all those things, check the boots. Else you're going to learn. And you will learn the hard way when they hold you. Don't play.